The South Asian islands of Borneo are home to forests that cover 57% of land area. Borneo forests are some of the most biodiverse and ecologically rich forests in the world. Here exists a diverse range of wildlife, including various birds, reptiles, as well as mammals. And this is one of them. At first sight, it seems like a normal monkey having a reddish-brown fur on its back, long tail, and light-colored fur on its belly. But the thing which sets him apart is its unusual and peculiar nose. This is a proboscis monkey, a unique and fascinating primate known for its distinctive nose and pot belly, can only be found in the forests of Borneo. The proboscis monkeys generally live in groups composed of one adult male, some adult females, and their offsprings. Daily activities include resting, traveling, feeding, and keeping vigilance. Male individuals usually measure between 66 to 76 centimeters and have an average weight ranging from 16 to 22 kg. Further adding to the dimorphism is the large nose or proboscis of male, which can exceed up to 10 centimeters in length and hangs lower than the mouth. According to some theories, the reason for male's long nose could be attributed to the sexual selection by females who are attracted to the louder vocalizations during mating. Besides this, they produce different vocalizations to communicate different messages. For instance, male use honks to signal the status of their group. They also produce alarm calls to signal danger. Coming to the feeding, proboscis monkeys are primarily herbivorous, and their diet consists of mainly leaves, fruits, seeds, and flowers. Their favorite food is young leaves, and they have been observed to have a preference for certain type of leaves, such as those from mangrove tree. They have multi-chambered stomachs, which have a special adaptation in their digestive system that allows them to efficiently break down and digest tough cellulose found in plant material. Proboscis monkeys, which are commonly found near rivers, are primarily threatened by crocodiles and reticulated pythons. However, humans remain the biggest threat to their survival as deforestation and land developments continue to destroy their habitats and disrupt their food sources. The proboscis monkey is assessed as endangered in IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Its population has decreased by more than 50% in past 30 to 40 years. Additionally, they are hunted for their meat and captured for pet trade, further contributing to their decline. However, the conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining proboscis monkey population and ensure their continued survival. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more content like this. Once again, thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.